we present you some wonderful cooking tools that are worth having. With this one, you can make any kind of tea or soup that your heart desires. We all wish to place the ingredients of our dish near the cooking pot, so this tool is here for that purpose. You can never go wrong with this slicer. When you're dealing with dough, this tool helps you keep your hands clean. A good chopper, it's a must for every kitchen. These caps help you when it comes to adding sauce to your food. Super interesting ladle that separates the oil from the soup. This container helps you when it comes to washing vegetables and then removing the water from them real quick. Now, this little net is the best thing that will happen to your sink. What an easy way to boil eggs! A foldable container that holds your food is worth having. Got any idea what this might be?
Oh, that's my soul.
Did you guess it right?
A whole lot of good.
The process of removing seeds from dates got way easier with this tool. This is super satisfying to watch.
Y'all be good now.
Take care!